What up, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking and Blazing. Tonight we're gonna make some chicken carbonara. We're gonna start by slicing up 3 fat-ass chicken breasts. I mean fat. Like, these things are humongous. We're gonna slice them down the middle, and then 2 other times. We're gonna cut them into decent-sized little chunks, as you can see. We're gonna try a little different on this video. Before it was literally just recording on the phone, audio and video, but this time we're gonna mix it up and we use the setup that I got on the computer. If you guys like this content, if you guys want to see more, definitely be doing that. This is the bowl, all the chicken. We're gonna add some salt. I remember season generously. Generously. Whoops. Yeah. I'm not fucking recording this or redoing this. We're just gonna keep going. That was parsley, by the way. Now we got some onion powder going in it. Yeah. Not gonna redo that. Garlic powder, onion powder. Italian seasoning. There we go. I think I'm a little ahead of the curve this time. Like watching a movie in slow motion. There's finally the pepper, and then we got some gold bouillon, or that's some bouillon. Holy shit. Yeah, no take 3s or anything like that. This is gonna be a cooking spot for the history of cooking spots. Very bad. But yeah, I'm wearing gloves this time around because I want to. Now we got the pan all heated up and we got the water going. Season the water with salt. Now we got the chicken. We're gonna put that in the heated pan. And before anybody asks or says anything in the comments, yes, I have smoked. That's probably why this video is gonna flop hard as fuck. But screw it, right? Oh yeah, put that chicken in that pan, move it all around. This is for the egg concoction. We got 4 eggs, Parmesan cheese, bacon bits, pepper, and salt. We're gonna put a cup of heavy whipping cream in them 4 eggs and about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and then salt and pepper to season. Yeah, I didn't know at first that this had raw eggs in it, and I was like, what the fuck? But yo, I'm telling you, the shit is slamming. Mix that shit. Not like me though, because I'm terrible at mixing, and the whisk was in the dishwasher, so you had to use a fork. Then you put the pasta. Don't break it in half. Just shove it in the pot. It'll be alright, I promise. When you're done, grab at least a half a cup of that pasta water so that shit don't stick. Now, when the chicken's done and the pasta's done, you want to start putting the pasta in with the chicken. Make sure your heat is on like low, yeah, medium low, somewhere along them lines, because you don't want to cook the concoction right there. As you can see, I'm about to pour that shit in there. You don't want to cook it. You know, you want it to stay creamy. And don't forget, because I almost forgot, don't forget to put the water in with it. I almost forgot to do that shit. But yeah, you want to just move it around, incorporate all that egg yolk stuff and things. I'm not a professional at this. I just like to cook good food. I promise. And this is really good. Yeah, add that cup of water. Mix it around, stir it around. Downtown, brown cow. Add the bacon bits. Trust me, it'll make the difference. Now, you might want to use a bigger pan too, because as you can see, I had to put it back in that mixing bowl because I'm a jackass and I forgot that this thing is humongous. You don't have to make it that big, but we're like the clumps in the Eddie Murphy movie. We like to eat around here. Feel me? So yeah, it's hot as hell, and it tastes really good. Just make sure you don't want to cook the eggs. You want to make sure that it stays nice and creamy. Look at that. That shit looks good as fuck, right? So good. Get a little close up. Wife did a really good job on that one. Yeah. Now the only thing left to do is literally just put it on a plate and shove it in your mouth. I don't know how this audio is going to turn out, but I hope everybody's had a good day. You know, if you guys want to see more of this stuff where the audio is like this, you know, just kind of just me recording over it, let me know down in the comments if you like this more, or if you want it back to the other way. Yeah, take a big old fork full of this, and y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I love you long time, I promise. Thanks again, everybody.